Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your paper deal video of the week for October the 26th to November the 1st. Most of these will be done curbside and they are amazing. What curbside means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving the store and picking it up. If you're ordering a lot of paper, go to the store within a couple hours because it does take a ton of room. Along with, in this video, we will be using one of these spooky codes that is OCT15 to save an additional 15% off of a $35 basket to save just a smidge bit more money. So let's get right into it. And the first couple deals we're doing are curbside. So the first one is deal number 1, and you need your best friend loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend 25. I know not everybody has it, but if you have it, definitely utilize it for this transaction. Into the basket, we're going to be throwing in 10 of the Walgreens brand, either toilet papers or paper towels. They're buy one, get one 50% off at $5 each. Very comparable to Angel Soft or Sparkle paper towel. So I put 7 toilet papers and 3 paper towels. My store had a limit with the paper towels, so they only must have a couple in stock, or they have a limit on the amount of paper towel, who knows. So just to show you guys, using that code that I was talking about at the beginning of the video, we have $5.65 melting off. So that's why doing some of these deals curbside, you're saving more money than doing it in store. The overall total for your basket is $37.50. So subtracting $5 and some change, which is $5.65, we are still at $30.05. So we're still at that $25 threshold to earn back 7. The balance, you're going to have to use your debit card, and then you're getting back $8.85. It shakes it out to $2 and I think 60 cents per bag of paper. A very great deal if you just wanted to do something easy this week. Rest of the deals, you can use Walgreens cash. That first one, because you're using the spend booster, you have to pay the balance with your debit card. For deal number 2, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the Angel Soft toilet papers, these 6 counters. They're 2 for $11. And we have a 50-cent digital coupon, so go ahead and load that one for this basket. And then we're also throwing into this basket one of these Cottonelle 14-count wipes. And we have $1 digital attaching to that, making it 49 cents. I mean, even if you wanted to throw this in your car, in case, just an accident in the car, you can use these wipes for a multitude of things. It's just a smart thing to have. Okay, so let's look at our gorgeous chorus line. We have the $1 coming off for those Cottonelle wipes, 50 cents for the Angel Soft, and then using the code WAG10, an additional $1.10 melting off, so not bad. Don't forget that coupon code to type it in, because that's an extra $1.10, so it's so much better to do this curbside than in store, even for that extra $1 of savings. The overall total is $12.49, $1.10 melting off with WAG10, plus an additional $1.50 with our digital coupons. The total is $10.57. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it, pay 57 cents, and call this a very nice basket. Last curbside deal that we're looking at, this is what we're tossing into our cart. We're going to throw in one of these Scott paper towels, and there's a $1 digital coupon if you still might have it on your account. 2 for $7.50, so we have to add another Scott product. I'm going with the toilet paper and paper towel. I guess old-fashioned of me, but this one's $3.75. Even without a digital coupon, not bad. And then we're going to throw in one of these Walgreens 3-packs of the facial tissue. You can't call it Kleenex, and there's a 50-cent store coupon that is attaching to this product. So just to show you guys, $1 coming off for Scott, WAG10 taking 35 cents off, and then an additional 50 cents with that store coupon for the Walgreens facial tissue. The overall total for this is $11.49. We have 85 cents coming off with WAG10 and that 50 center, and then a little bit of tax and $1 digital. The total is $10.28. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, throw it into this basket and pay 28 cents and call this a deal. We're going to be looking at a couple deals that are specifically done in store. The first one goes to the $6.99 for the Angel Soft Brawny Quilted Northern. These good products, $3 reward when you purchase two. Now, Brawny has a $1 digital and Angel Soft has a 50 center. Grabbing one of each, that'll be $13.98. Subtracting your $1.50 digital coupon, you'll pay $12.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the two, or $4.74 per product. And I don't know, I don't have a fetch rebate for Brawny, but I know some of you might, so that might be worth getting a receipt to photograph to that app. It's okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards in this deal, especially the Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You can use this either way, with a booster or without, and they are the register rewards, just to get a smaller out-of-pocket, because that out-of-pocket is pretty hefty. And if you're ever like, well, what do I use these on? Any sort of paper deal is a really great thing. Paper doesn't expire, and you can definitely stockpile it, and I know a lot of us are, especially right now, just to get a little bit extra in our stockpile. Another super deal is with this name brand, Kleenex, Viva, these good products. I know a lot of people prefer the Viva paper towels or the specific Kleenex. 2 for $10. So if you had $10 in Walgreens cash, or alternatively a register reward and a little bit of Walgreens cash, a no booster deal again, this would be ideal to just, get more for your stockpile, especially like Kleenex. That's one item I don't really have a ton of in my stockpile right now. A little dealio is at a different store that is the Dollar General, and there is a free single roll of toilet paper. And since we're talking about toilet paper, even if you're a big pharmacy shopper, if you can track this down at your local Dollar General, like, totally make it happen. When we can get this stuff for free, that's when we really pounce on these deals. Doesn't matter what the store is, and hopefully you see the same way that I see it. Definitely type this into your Dollar General app or scan it with the barcode scanner. This product is found in the dollar spot. It's exactly $1. Currently, we have a $1 digital coupon that is still attaching to this product. And I checked on Monday evening, and yes, it is still in fact attaching. And then just to give you eyes on it, this is your digital coupon, so it's $1 off. It basically makes that single roll completely free. You can do this once per store account, and they can pull this at any moment, and they are quite famous for that. So, if you are a very big Walgreens or CVS shopper, I would definitely try and give this a whirl. You have nothing to lose. And what is a dollar spot? It's an aisle where everything is exactly $1. And I think this is the last store in the US that actually has a dollar spot, because everything is like $1.50, $1.25, whatever. Even at Walgreens, everything is a little bit more. And it says dollar, like this dollar deals. This is where you'll find it. Don't be shy to ask an employee, like, hey, where's your dollar spot? And you would just grab one of these, load that coupon, and it should zero out to free. Definitely scan the barcode to ensure that, it's still attaching. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.